We are here in the beautiful city of Iloilo, the University of San Agustin Gym, where we will catch a glimpse of the future superstars of Philippine basketball. How are you guys doing? Miguel Torres po kasama si Coach Putit de Vera for the 19th National Finals of Pasarel. How are you doing, Coach?
I'm okay, Mix. And what a day to start off these festivities with the championship match of the Pasarel division here in the Milo tournament.
Alam mo, marami mga superstars ang nanggaling dito sa ligang ito. All the way back. Alam mo, this league has a very proud tradition and definitely glad to be a part of it. You guys will be treated to a great match. Ito pong laban na ito ngayon na matutunghayan ninyo is between the Sacred Heart of Cebu Jesuits versus LaSalle Green Hills Greenies. At Coach, ito yung nangyari during the past days dito sa 19th National Final. Good to see that they're starting at a very young age.
Oo, tamang-tama yun. Eksakto ang programa rito ng Milo at ng Best Center. Starting with the grassroots. That is where basketball starts. And I think that is the main
14, 13, and 12. Hernandez, the three, yes!
Well, we can see that the Sacred Heart players are a bit slow in reacting to the movement.
You just saw Richard Del Rosario and of course the
Na pangangalagaan nila yung kanilang eskwela at ang pangalan ng eskwela nila. So that is why LaSalle basketball.
Welcome back to the 19th National Finals. The proud father looking on. He's gesturing something.
It was a glimpse of Coach Franz being a father.
There's a good shot by Muller. Luigi Pumaren all the way, a foul, and it's good.
Wow! Shades of Coach Franz.
Oo.
Just dribbling the ball, the length of the court, getting the foul, and one situation. And what makes that spectacular, Luigi Pumaren makes that right-handed there in front of a shot blocker to si Justin De La Cruz.
And one situation para kay Luigi Pumaren. It's good. And Coach ng
Finals, the Sacred Heart Jesuit of Cebu.
blue and green na ito, no? Familiar colors, if you may. Dahil itong Sacred Heart School Jesuit Cebu, nasa no? Ito yung Ateneo de Cebu kung tawagin.
Ito lalabas na Ateneo de Cebu, the Brother School of Ateneo de Manila.
Torres, twist turns, the hook, it's good.
Stars like Trajano and
then Torres is
Alexander
there.
Torres. Kaya Torres and Trajano missed those shots. Hindi naman si Charles Angeles for those offensive rebounds.
Oh, Trajano scores 3.
Trying to split the double team.
Trajano, fake the
Oh,
pass.
wow.
Goes to his left and scores. We're being treated to flare-type basketball here, Coach. Sacred Heart.
Oh, true yun, Mix. Then again, nakita natin Sacred Heart, nakakaamoy ng dugo. They're putting on at least a show of pressure.
Mercado lets the bomb away and it scores 3. Miss. Fresh 24 for the guys from LaSalle Green Hills. Mercado over to Trajano. Decides to drive. You momentarily open. Fakes. Gets the shot.
Defensive LaSalle.
Alex Torres, the 3. Yes! Wow.
In playing the passing lanes, pressuring the ball handlers just like
like that.
Torres.
Alex Torres ngayon over to Mercado. The shot is good. Pero partner, nakita mo, si Kiko din pinanood lang yung layup ni Mercado.
Sometimes it takes even the best players talaga na i-intimidate sa sitwasyon.
And a mental lapse there by you. 58 seconds remaining here in the second. Trajano over to Mercado. Decides to pop a 3. Too strong, but Alex Torres was there. Lalo itong LaSalle Green Hills.
In question sa Sacred Heart is their defense. Wala eh. Tapos pag nagbintis ang LaSalle, nakukuha pa rin yung offensive rebound.
Alex Torres, partner, nagpapakilala na. Itong si number 18, Alex Torres of LaSalle Green Hills na we're making this run possible. And here we go again. Partner.
What a move by Alex Torres.
Nadulas na. Andun pa rin yung tira. And he's just ripping the defense apart. Itong si Alex Torres of LaSalle Green Hills. 4 seconds remaining here in the second quarter. Sobrado for 3, and that is it for first half action. It's now a 10-point lead by LaSalle Green Hills against Sacred Heart School Jesuits of Cebu. When we come back, we'll break this game at the half as we leave you with the image here of Alex Torres doing that great fast break. Magbabalik po kami. This is the 19th National Milo Passerelle Finals. Santa Clara scoring that shot, bringing the lead up to 12. But right now, once again, an end one, potential end one situation para kay number 4, itong si Thomas Torres.
Thomas Torres. Ito magkapatid to,
Oo.
si Alex at si Thomas. Kita, parehong athletic, parehong strong-willed, but more importantly, they are very aggressive.
Torres over to number 7. Boo decided to fake that shot. Number 14, the 3 is good.
Wow.
62-45, coach. It's now a 17-point lead.
Oh, sakto ka doon, Mix. Peskiness.
Boo! Oh, partner! Foul ang itinawag na referees natin. Another potential end one.
Bills a little less than 7 minutes pa in the third quarter. And they keep shooting the lights out dito to Lasal Green Hills. So I think second half, mabuburo dito sa third quarter.
Sacred Heart, that 30-point lead could gone down to 20-something. As you see, technical foul. Alam mo, pag nakalayo pa rito sa Green Hills, definitely a tough one to climb.
Speed more important than skill right now. That because kita mo naman, even without skill, basta may athletic ability ka at saka experience, nananalo ka na. Ooh!
Wow, that was a hard fall by Thomas Torres. Medyo nahirapan siyang umangat doon. He did make the shot though, and that will extend the lead of LaSalle Green Hills to
Players who are watching, okay, the technique is when you fall, don't prevent yourself from falling or don't break
Break
your
the fall.
by sticking out your hands.
or for Sacred Heart School Jesuits of Cebu, alam mo, 4 na lang yung player nila. Kung saan nag-enjoy na sa kwentuhan natin na tinapansin with 6 seconds remaining, 4 na lang yung naglalaro dito.
Well, because nga again, the fall, medyo precautionary measures na rin.
Oh, well, that is it for the third quarter. 93-54. It's a 39-point lead by LaSalle Green Hills. We still have 1 quarter to go. Paano po lalabas ang quarter na yan? Eh malalaman ninyo pagbalik namin dito sa Basketball TV.
Putting in your best fives dahil for the first 3 quarters, tinitipid mo. But again, the biggest question, can Sacred Heart bounce back and make a rally and steal a victory away from to have him there in the court as he needs them? He needs it.
Once again, another steal fast break opportunity. Trajano making sure that that's open. And timeout agad ang itinawag ng Sacred Heart School Jesuits of Cebu. 8:26 na minute lamang pa rin po sa video. Magbabalik. That bounces on you from the river.
That fakes you out by standing, sitting still.
And then doing a death roll. Pero alam mo coach, yung mga skills na natututunan mo dito sa basket, panalo pa rin sila.
Oh, but I mean, Sacred Heart, they shouldn't put their heads down because they are the Visayan champions.
Oo, kahit
Remember
anong
that.
champion pa rin yan.
National championship ito, and they fought hard and they fought for the national championships, but they are the Visayan champions, so they have to be proud of that as well. The parents, the coaching staff, Coach Romel Rasco.
The awarding of the trophies will be up next, but right now the final score is 105-72. We'll be right back with more right here at the 19th National Finals of Milo Passerelle.
The Torres brothers, 1-2 punch, ano? Si Kuya, si Alex, sinimulan niya.
Oh,
Tomas Torres, tinapos naman niya.
and you're seeing the champions very happy, and why not? They're the best in the Philippines right now.